Introducing Hilti's complete line of mechanical wedge anchoring systems designed to give contractors a product for every job and every application. The Hilti QuickBolt TZ is the ultimate wedge anchor for cracked and uncracked concrete and all seismic zones. With industry-leading edge distances, spacings, setting behavior, productivity, and load values, the Hilti QuickBolt TZ brings productivity with pre-assembled nuts and washers and fast-setting wedge. Hilti's QuickBolt TZ remains the industry standard for performance, productivity, and reliability. Hilti's QuickBolt 3 anchor continues to be the industry-leading wedge anchor for best-in-class tension and shear loads for masonry and uncracked concrete applications. Now, combined with the launch of the Hilti STB torque bar, contractors can install the QuickBolt 3 with the SIW18A impact driver. The STB torque bar reduces the impact of your Hilti SIW18A impact wrench to properly torque the QuickBolt 3 in seconds. For high-volume applications, the QuickBolt 3 with the STB torque bar is the ultimate solution for professionals who need to be done fast and need the job done well. Hilti also now delivers a highly reliable economic wedge anchoring system with the newest member of the QuickBolt family, the QuickBolt V. Hilti QuickBolt V brings high quality to more basic applications at an economical price when no ICC approvals are required in everyday applications. Visit Hilti online to check out our entire new portfolio of anchoring products. You can see Hilti's extensive line of mechanical and adhesive anchoring solutions and choose the best one for your next project. Hilti Mechanical Anchors. Every job, every application.